In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the price of any product in your Shopify store. So this is very easy. You can do it in just a few seconds, and it's obviously essential for your business. So let's see how we can do it. First thing you need to do is go into the product you want to change the price. So go right here at the left, click on products and go to the product you want. In my case, I only have one, so I'm going to choose it. Now here you can see the title, the description, the photo, and the pricing. So you can set any price you want, and you can choose if you want the taxes to be included on the price or not. And then you can also set a compare at price. So I'm going to show you what this is exactly. So for example, I'm going to put 14 euros and 19 euros as the compare price. So now we can save the changes, and I'm gonna preview this product. As you can see, the price is 14 euros and the compare price is listing right here, which is a very useful marketing technique. And basically everyone uses this, and it helps a lot in increasing your conversion rate. Then you can also set a cost per item. So for example, if it costs you 9 euros to make this t-shirt, you can put it, and then it will calculate your profit and margin. So your customers won't see this. This is not public, but it will help you tracking your benefits. So that's it. I hope it was helpful.